This is my main editing monitor. Right next to it, I have my MacBook Pro. And right next to that is this mess of wires and my wireless charger that I'm using right now. I'm really hoping that this wireless hub here from Nomad will help solve the messy issue here. Let's jump into it. Hey everybody, welcome back to Zach Talks Tech, where it's about the community, engagement, and conversation we're having here about the tech that you love. So my friends over at Nomad sent me their new wireless charge hub. I actually saw this at CES, looked really cool, so I reached out to them. I said, hey, can you send me one? They fired it on over. So this is a charge hub with multiple plugins along with wireless charging. You guys saw the mess that I currently have in my desk area right now. So the idea is that this is going to clean it all up with just one piece of technology, basically, to kind of solve that mess and clean things up and make it look a little more organized and a little bit better. Full disclosure, Nomad is a brand that the company I work for currently distributes. I wanted to get that out there and let you guys know. I am a big fan of theirs, but I want to get that out there just so you know. But let's go ahead and jump into this and take a closer look. All right, let's get into this. Looks like this has 5 outputs, wireless top here for charging, and USB-C fast charging. I'm really interested in trying this out. On the back here, some additional information as well, and a good look at what the actual hub will look like on the bottom there, but of course we'll break into it here. So let's go ahead and get into it. Some really nice packaging here from Nomad as usual. Well done. So inside we have the hub right here. Go ahead and pop this out, and this large power brick right here, quite a hefty size here. Before I go plugging everything in, let's just take a look at the bottom of the hub here. We have your power plug right here. This is going to be your USB-C fast charge, so you go USB-C from here out to another USB-C device. And of course we have 3 more USB-A outs, so you can do a USB-A out to lightning cable, another USB-C, or even micro USB. So let's go ahead and plug this in and get her going here. One nice thing that Nomad does right here is, rather than trying to run the cables through, you can just push them down through this rubber piece right there and then go ahead and plug them in. So there's the power right there. This is a USB-C to USB-C cable from Nomad. This one's actually capable of charging MacBook Pros and larger devices, tablets, things like that. So I'll be using this with my Galaxy S9 to test out the fast charging. So there we go, we're all set up here. I got a couple cables coming out. We got power going to the hub here. It's gonna go ahead and pop my Galaxy S9 Plus on. And there we go, we got charging here. Let's take a look here. So I don't know if you guys can see this here. I'm actually gonna clear this out. We're charging wirelessly. This is not fast wireless charging. The whole idea is that you're getting a whole hub and everything all together here. Nice additional touch by Nomad. You have these color indicators right here. This first one right here is for the wireless charging. It turns orange as you're charging. It'll turn green when you're done. Same thing for all the plugins right here. So you don't actually have to look at your device. You can kind of glance over the light here and know when your device is done charging. Nice touch there by Nomad. So now we're going to test out the fast USB-C charging port on the hub here. So this is a USB-C cable going to the USB-C port in here. So let's go ahead and plug it in the Galaxy S9 Plus and see what we get here. And here we go. You guys can see that fast charging. So again, we're getting the fast charging out of that port. Looks good. Let's try out the USB-A ports, the USB-C, to see if we can also get fast charging. I don't think we will though. So this is a 3-in-1 cable from Nomad. You get the lightning, you get USB-C, and there's also a micro USB in here. It is MFI certified. I love traveling with this cable because basically I can support any device if one of my friends or colleagues needs a cable. So let's go ahead and plug this in. And again, this is going USB-C to USB-A. Let's take a look here. I don't think we're gonna get fast charging. Go ahead and clear that. So we're just getting regular charging here. I'm actually gonna unplug that again. We'll plug it in and take another quick look here just to see if anything changes. And again, it's just regular charging here. So you are gonna get regular wireless charging on top here. You're gonna get fast USB-C charging out of one port, and the other ones are all just regular charging as well. But overall, I like the design here. It looks good. You get the extra lights here. I think this is gonna be a great addition to that messy, that messy desk area of mine. So overall, I would say that the Nomad wireless hub is probably a good pickup if you're looking to combine both your cables and your wireless charging together. Obviously, if you have a device that can support wireless charging. The only thing I would take away from this is I wish it was somewhat convertible, kind of like the Samsung wireless charger is, where you can kind of put it on an angle. And the reason I say that is because if you're using Face ID or face scanning technology on your phone, you're gonna have to do one of these in order to unlock. Whereas if you have your phone on an angle like this, it's gonna be really just kind of a look over and unlock. I know it seems kind of petty, but I mean, we've seen videos in the past where people are at their desk and they have to unlock like that when they could maybe just kind of glance over like this and the scanner is already kind of going at their face. So maybe that's a little bit of feedback there for Nomad. Otherwise, great build quality. I really like how they make it easy to put the cables in. The addition of the LED lights there to tell you when device is done charging is a great plus there. And yeah, it's got a good weight to it. It's got some nice rubberized grip on the bottom here. It's not going to slip around your desk. The sticker shock, the price of this might shock you a little bit. It's around $100 Canadian, might be a little bit less for my my American friends there. So go ahead and check it out. I'll actually leave a link for you guys down below where you can check out one for yourself. And yeah, it might be a good pickup for yourself and a good solution for, like myself with my messy desk there. Anyway, if you guys enjoyed the content here, please leave a thumbs up. Think about hitting that subscribe button as well, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care. Cheers.